Hey guys, Jason Lawrence Bloom here, and I want to show you two Lego docking stations that I have, and they're really cool. One's for my iPod, one's for my speakers. And have you heard of the mini rechargeable bomb speaker? Well, I have 3 of them, and they're 2 of them's charging on this Lego thing I built. It's made for 2. I could adjust it for my iPod, but I don't want it neon. They're charging, and the little things would go through here, and it goes to the bottom where my big charging thing is, and that's pretty cool. I made a hole and I just tape it right here to my desk. And then I have a little scene in the background. Here's my other one. It's like a little machine gun or something, and a little guy. It's like the army dude. And let's move this. And then he has a little motorcycle on the side, out of Lego and all. Man, you'd be amazed at this one. This is for my iPod, and yeah, this was out of actually a ship that broke, and I used it for a charging thing. So as you can see, the bottom right here, that's where the charger would go through, and then my iPod, let's say, just get my iPod case, it would charge right here off this, like that. And it holds it, and if you want to play any music while it's charging, move one back, and my little thing is right here for the speaker on this. See? So I would put it right here. I would open this a little bit further, it's adjustable, and I would open this part, put the speaker in, and I would set the speaker right here. So let's do an example. Let's grab this one. And let's say I want to see if I want to play some music. So I would put it in, then close it, and then put the speaker right here, and it will play the speaker. Okay, and yeah, and that's really it. You want to learn how to make little never mind. But this is like really cool. I wrote iPod Lego right here, and this was made out of ship, so I can't do another one, but I would try making another video for another Lego one, Angry Birds. So yeah, bye.